twice a month.
You know, a few hours left until curfew.
I got some of the damn papers this morning. I've been selected for outside work duty.
That's such crap. Soldiers are supposed to handle the outside.
I'll make sure to tell them that.
Attention. Citizens are required to carry a at all times. Compliance with all city personnel is mandatory.
Look at that. Ration line hasn't opened yet. Seems like more people are getting infected.
That just means more people are sick. What's up, Joel? You think they took Mary Ann?
That's what happened. They fucking lynched him. Yeah, they shouldn't get it that bad. Let's play cool.
Drive on through.
What's your business here?
So much for the easy route. Patch yourself up, all right? They're gonna close all the checkpoints. We're gonna have to go
Outside the wall.
or we could just let Robert go.
Cute.
Hey, Tess, you see that shit?
I was there. Hey, how's the East Tunnel looking?
I just see this day. No patrols. Where are you off to?
Gonna pay Robert a visit. Who else is looking for him?
She's been asking around.
Marlene. What do the Fireflies need with Robert?
You should tell me.
Well, what did you tell her?
The truth. I got no idea where he's at.
Good man. Hey, you stay out of trouble, all right? Military's gonna be out in force soon.
Yeah, see you around.
Marlene looking for Robert? What do you think of that?
I don't like it. You better find him before the Fireflies do.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Darn up out there. How we looking over here?
It's been quiet. No signs of military or infected.
That's what I like to hear. Joel, give me a hand with this.
Y'all take it easy out there.
Oh, God, this place reeks. I need to watch what we throw away down here. They're blue light. Let's grab our gear.
Not a lot of ammo.
me up. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Be careful.
When am I not?
Got a trick question. Ain't been out here in a while.
It's like we're on a date.
Well, I am a romantic type.
You got your ways. Where's the ladder?
There's gotta be around here somewhere. Got it.
Great, bring it over.
Ladies first.
Lady, you must be thinking of someone else.
That's all relative.
This way. Down through here. About our guns.
For his sake. He better.
Look, once we get our merchandise back, it should be easy to unload.
Speaking of merchandise, when's that next shipment?
Hold up. Spores.
Where the hell are all these coming from? The place was weird.
They're coming out of something. Stay alert.
There's our culprit.
Body's not that.
Should be able to fit through here.
You okay?
Yeah. Damn ceiling's falling apart. Be careful. This way. Easy. Watch it, watch it. Help me. My mask broke. Don't leave me inside. Please.
What do you want to do? Poor bastard. Up ahead. You hear that? Shh. All right.
Let's hope so.
Let's head back into the city. Right here.
After you.
Cover the entrance.
I got it.
Here, pass it to me.
It's a bit heavy.
I think I can handle it.
All right.
Get your ass up here. Let's move.
Make sure there are any soldiers around.
It's clear. Come on. Pick up that ammo. I'm sure we'll need it. A little bit. Make sure the coast is clear. No soldiers, none of Robert's men, yeah?
You know what he's expecting.
Well, that'll make it more interesting. Good to go. Come on.
Take.